I'm sorry, I did the state pass.
State pass witness.
All right. Yes, I'm ready to see where to begin. You saw the video that we all watched of you approaching Mr. Martinez, right?
Yes, sir.
And despite your insistence on, well, you told the jury that you asked him how much he had to drink, or if he had been drinking, right? That he admitted he had.
Yes, sir.
It's not illegal to drink alcohol and then drive if you're not intoxicated, right?
Correct.
Are you a drinker?
No, sir.
You don't drink any alcohol.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you think everybody that drinks alcohol and then drives is guilty of DWI?
No, sir.
So you said you were out that night as a speed to look for speeders.
It was traffic enforcement. Yes, sir.
I think you said you were out there looking for speeders
Yes, sir.
and also drunk drivers.
Yes, sir.
So you were like the speeding and drunk driving enforcer that night.
Correct.
Are you familiar with the saying that when you're a hammer, everything looks like a nail?
Sure.
So that was kind of your role that night. You were out there looking for, it was the night shift.
Yes,
You're
sir.
looking for people to arrest or pull over for DWI, right?
Correct.
And you happen to find someone who looked like a nail. He was speeding and you smelled an odor of alcohol, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you wrote an office report in this case, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you wrote that close in time to when this happened, right?
Correct.
You bring a copy of that with you?
Yes, sir.
I saw you kind of looking down earlier. It's okay to refresh your memory because I know it was a little time ago, but can I just ask you, you don't read directly from it word for word. If you say, hey, do you mind if I refresh my memory? That's fine, okay?
Okay.
You stated that you smelled an odor of alcohol on his breath.
Yes, sir.
And that was when the state was asking you questions right here.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't say I smelled a strong odor of alcohol.
All right.
You didn't say I smelled heavy odor of alcohol. You just said I smelled an odor of alcohol.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You could have said, when they said, what did you smell? You could have said, I smelled a strong or heavy odor of alcohol on his breath, right?
That's correct.
But you did not say that.
That's correct.
But you'd agree with me anyway, though, that just having the odor of alcohol on your breath, that doesn't prove a person's intoxicated.
That's correct.
Everybody knows that, right?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't even tell you how much alcohol a person has consumed, right?
That's correct.
Even if you said a strong odor of alcohol, that doesn't mean that, well, that person's really consumed a ton of alcohol, right?
Correct.
Okay. So he admitted to drinking. You smelled the odor of alcohol. That makes sense, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Him drinking and him admitting to it and you smelling it, that doesn't mean he was intoxicated, though, right?
That's correct.
Okay. I don't know who's... I'm 53. My hearing's not what it used to be, but he didn't say I had several. We didn't hear that. Are you telling the jury that that's what you heard? How old are you?
I'm 50.
Do you wear hearing aids?
No, sir.
Do you have trouble hearing? Has any of your family?
In a courtroom, yes.
Okay. Family members ever said something like that? Like they have to me? You have to repeat themselves?
That's sometimes.
After listening to it, I think once or twice, are you still trying to, you're under oath here, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're still telling these folks here that we all heard that he said, I had several drinks? Or do you want to change that answer now? Just tell us the truth. He never said several drinks. They got this man charged with a criminal offense. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
If you were charged or a family member, would you want an officer up there not telling the truth to a jury?
Well,
Objection, Your Honor?
No, sir.
No, sir. Is that your answer?
Yes, sir.
So why is it okay for you to do that? You said it wasn't the truth.
No, I never said that, sir.
Did he say several drinks?
He said a few, yes.
Did he say, I had several drinks? Like you testified to under oath 2 times.
Yeah.
That's an answer, Judge.
Overall?
Which is it? Because you just said, no, he didn't say that.
No, he said a few.
Is that fair to exaggerate facts or to tell the jury things that are not true?
No, because a few means several.
He never said several. He never said a few. You play it again? I'll play it as many times as you want. If I played it again, can you point out to the jury where he said I had a few drinks? Officer, look, I'm not trying to trick you.
Mm-hmm.
It's important. We want to be fair, right?
Yes, sir.
We want to be fair. Your job's too important to not tell the truth under oath, isn't it?
That's correct.
I mean, is it that important that you've got to exaggerate and make up things that aren't true just to try to convict this guy?
No, I'm not trying to convict nobody.
Well, then why aren't you telling the truth to the jury? We all heard it.
The video showed the truth.
Right. The video shows the truth.
Yes, sir.
You asked him if he had been drinking.
Yes, sir.
He said a little bit.
Need to go back and see the video.
Really? It's not important to you? Did you watch the video before testifying?
Yes, I did.
I just wanted to be clear about what happened. And we have the video, and then we have what you're saying the video said. Those don't match up, do they? Yes or no? Is what you told the jury match up with what is on the video?
Yes.
How is that okay? That's not okay. You went up to him and you asked him, have you been drinking? And he said a little bit, right? I will play the video again. It's in evidence. Do I need to, or will you just agree with me that that's the truth? Because if you're not going to agree with me that that's the truth, you want me to play it again?
Yeah. Sure.
You guys mind? Help us drive.
Your Honor, for the record, that's State's Exhibit 2 at the 2-minute, 34-second mark.
What's going on? Where you coming from? Oh, nothing. Oh, did you not get one? Did you guys get the drinking cup? Little bit?
You stop it. You said, how much did he have to drink? Have you had anything to drink? What did he say?
A little bit.
A little bit. He didn't say a few, correct?
Correct.
He did not say several, correct? Okay. So that's not a part of this case.
Correct.
Okay. Go ahead. Thank you. You came back to the vehicle. You asked him again, how much have you had to drink tonight? And he said, 1. And you said, are you sure? He said, yeah. He didn't say a few, right? He never said several, correct?
Correct.
Is there anywhere else on the video that he said a few or several?
No, there's a part of the video where it says honestly, yeah.
I'm sorry?
There's a part of the video where he says honestly,
He said,
yes. Honestly, yes.
yeah.
Or yeah.
Well, that's why I wanted to show you what the state showed you. And the answers that you gave don't match up with what Mr. Martinez said, right?
Correct.
We heard you ask him 2 times about drinking. Did he ever say he had a few or several?
No, sir.
But why would you come to court under oath and tell the jury that? Why? That's may I approach the witness, Your Honor? I've got copies of your offense report.
Yes, sir.
I'd like to show them to you. I don't know what you have, but you wrote in your offense report, right, that you asked the driver if he had any alcoholic beverages, right? We heard that. That's the whole purpose of that on live cam, right? We see the truth. That's the truth.
Right.
Not what you're saying. Right? Right?
Yes, sir. Right.
And he stated, what did you write? He had only 1, and you put O-N-E, and then you put parentheses and the number 1 in there to make sure that there was no confusion in your office report that he said he had 1 drink.
Yes.
You never wrote anywhere that he had a few or several, or that he came back later and said, well, honestly, I have more to drink. Is that anywhere in there?
No, sir.
Is this the kind of police work that you are used to getting away with doing?
No.
Oh, so you don't get away with this all the time?
No.
Or you do get away with it all the time?
No.
Yes or no? Do you get away with it?
Objection relative.
It's no problem.
On the back, you write again
Mhm.
that you asked the driver if he had any alcoholic beverages. That's like 2 places. And he stated that he had only 1.
Yes, sir.
And you wrote the number 1, O-N-E,
Yes.
and then you put parentheses, the number 1. Anything about that I misrepresented?